Hi, I'm Adrian. In this video we're going to look at how waitlists work in Cademy. So if I create a brand new course, and it has to be of type class or on blended, these are the only formats right now that support waitlists. I can just create a waitlist course example and go through the process and add the rest of the details such as pricing, delivery, everything else stays the same. But when I go into the dates section of my course, I can actually leave this without any dates, and I can publish, and you'll see that on my course page there's a button that says join waitlist. So I can publish a course now without any dates at all, and people will simply be able to join the waitlist for the course. I can also publish several dates, and you'll see that that will get rid of the waitlist option and instead allow me to book one of those courses. And also waitlists are automatically going to be enabled for a date when that date sells out. So if I go back to my dates here, and let's say I remove the number of spaces available in here to be 0, save and refresh, you'll see that now I have the option to join a waitlist. So there's several scenarios, as you saw, when people can join a waitlist. One is when a date runs out of spaces, and the second one is when there's no dates whatsoever. So if these dates are going to be in the past, it automatically goes to the second mode and shows the general join waitlist button, right? So to give you an idea what happens when I join a waitlist is I'm going to be prompted to enter my contact details, and once I do that I'm taken back to the course, and behind the scenes that's going to send an email to both the customer and to yourself to notify you of the fact that someone's on your waitlist. And when you come into the waitlist section in the system, you could see them on the waitlist as so. So you could see the date that they're waitlisted on, and you can select them from here and email them to notify them of any availability if you wish. So you could also remove people from the waitlist over here, or you can manually add someone to the waitlist by either searching for contacts or creating contacts manually in here. Now, at this point in time, we do not automatically invite people from the waitlist to join courses at the point when spaces become available, although that will be something that we'll add in a future update, so that if somebody is on the waitlist for the December 1st event, like in this case, and the space becomes available, they will be automatically notified. So stay tuned for a future update, and in the meantime, if you have any questions or if you need help, as always, use the live chat button to get in touch. Thank you so much. Take care.